Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to use hidden features in Apple Health app to track sleep. Most people only use set a bedtime, but Health app has deeper tools that make tracking more powerful. First, open the Health app on your iPhone. Then tap browse at the bottom and then scroll to sleep. Next, what you can do is here set up your sleep schedule. Choose your bedtime and wake up time for each day for each week. Next, tap full schedule options and turn on wind down to reduce distractions before sleep. And then use sleep mode to dim your screen and silence notifications. If you wear an Apple Watch, enable track sleep with Apple Watch. This unlocks hidden data like REM, core, and deep sleep stages. Safety tip: keep your Apple Watch charged above 30% before bed. If it dies overnight, you'll lose that night's data. Quick fix: if sleep data does not appear, go to settings, privacy, health. Make sure health has permissions to read sleeps, and then restart your phone. And that's it. This is how you guys can use hidden features in Apple's Health app to track sleep. I hope this video helped you guys. If it did, make sure you hit the like button and then subscribe button, and do not forget to comment down on our video. I'll see you guys in the next one.